Gotten a tan lately? Or having trouble finding the perfect shade for your skin tone? Don't worry, you don't have to run out and buy a brand new foundation. We have color adjusters. Before foundation, I'm applying Rose Facial Spray to hydrate my skin. To find the perfect shade, drop foundation onto your hand. Then 1 drop of color adjuster. Mix together using the blending brush or add more color adjuster until desired color is achieved. No foundation? Liquid Mirage foundation. Amazing coverage, and the color matches my skin tone perfectly. Time to finish my look with my go-to products. To help my flawless finish last all day long, I'm using Final Seal Setting Spray.